A Chinese airline launched a new direct air route linking the capitals of the UK and China on Wednesday, providing convenience for tourism, trade, and cultural exchanges between the two countries.
Inaugurated by China Southern Airlines, the new route operates one flight daily, departing from Heathrow Airport at 10:30 p.m. local time and landing at the Beijing Daxing International Airport after approximately 10 hours of flying.
我们这么多年从来没有落地过大兴机场，我们非常期待。大兴机场应该是几年之前新建的机场，从来没有感受过，非常期待大兴机场的感受。
The new air service is operated by the Airbus A350 aircraft and is expected to transport more than 600 passengers daily between the two destinations.
南航呢选择在此时开通这条航线，是根据国际航线发展的需要，围绕旅客出行需求，进一步扩充在北京大兴的运力投放，形成连通英国之国内各大城市更强大的航线网络，为中英两国旅客出行提供更多元、更舒适、更便捷的一个出行的选择。
Since August 2022, direct passenger flights linking China and the UK have resumed as China lifted more travel restrictions after it optimized its COVID-19 response.